Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a clean with me. I had to run out this morning and get some errands done. Tomorrow's Layton's birthday. She is turning 6 and it's just a whole busy weekend filled with like parties and family, and we're redoing her room and surprising her, but tomorrow I have a haircut appointment in the middle of the day and just trying to fit a lot of stuff in. She has gymnastics tomorrow. Austin has a football practice, and then they're being announced at like the halftime show at the high school game. So it's just super busy. He also has football tonight. So I'm just trying to get it all done. But my house, I've been really good at like keeping up with different stuff and like doing my daily schedule and morning and nighttime routine. But like I've got laundry. Literally, it looks like we just picked up, like I just dropped everything basically this morning. So let me show you. So there's just a sink full of dishes. The dishwasher needs to be emptied. There's the crock pot in the sink from yesterday, lunch stuff. Out here is a mess. There's like yogurt spilled all over the table. The floors are disgusting. There's a bunch of crap on that table. I need to wash the floors today. God knows what the bathroom looks like. Austin was washing out a hand sanitizer bottle to drink this morning. Why? I don't know, because he's gross and 7. So the bathroom needs to get wiped down. I walked by his room and every drawer is left open. It's actually not too bad. His pajamas are on the floor, but his bed needs to get straightened up. I was looking for a Band-Aid and like cream this morning to put on one of the kids' cuts. So all that stuff is out on my bed, and Layton's room is just Layton's room. It's always a disaster. But I am just going to take a little while and hopefully like an hour and get all of this done. So I'm going to put my hair up because I straightened my hair and I don't know why I bother anymore, and it's been super humid here. All right, hair is up, and it is time to get to work. Alexa, play New Country.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line. Be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time,
Alright, so now that we have the dishwasher emptied and all of the dishes in the sink washed and put into the dishwasher, I'm just going to clean off all of the countertops. I am just using my thieves cleaner to clean off everything in the kitchen. Then I am going to declutter and clean off the table in the kitchen. That is a big catch-all for us. It's just kind of a dumping ground for school paperwork and all of that. So I'm just going to have all of that cleared off, and then I'm also going to start some lemon essential oil in my diffuser. Just with so much cooking that we do in the house, I just like to purify the air sometimes and have a nice, clean, fresh smell going. So after I get that started, I'm also taking care of a few plants, moving them around to get the good sunlight and watering those as well.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars are about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
Alright, so now we're just moving on to the dining room. I'm getting the table wiped down with that same thieves cleaner. Then we are going to empty the trash and then get all of this vacuumed up. There was so many crumbs this morning. I believe the kids had toast on this day and there was just crumbs everywhere. So it really needed a good vacuuming.
Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
right, so now that we have all of those crumbs vacuumed up off the floor before all the ants came, I am now going to use my Shark Steam Mop. I love this mop, and I love to use it at least once or twice a month because I feel like it really disinfects the floor. And I also have been putting a little bit of essential oil. I stuck with the lemon essential oil that I also put in the diffuser on this morning. I put that a few drops on the bottom of the pad, and it makes your house smell amazing. So I am just going to get the kitchen floor all cleaned and nice and shiny.
Don't wanna be shy.
All right, and it is now time for the laundry. I feel like it would not be a cleaning video unless there was a load of laundry to do. So I manage laundry by doing a load of laundry every night. So when the kids come home from all their activities and football and everyone's showered, I throw in a load of laundry, and before we go to bed, I switch it over, and then I end up folding it on the next morning whenever I get around to it. So just with a family of 5, it just tends to be a little bit more manageable doing one small load of laundry every day. So that has really worked for us, and I suggest if you have a hard time keeping up with laundry, you consider trying this tip.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
All right, excuse the hair, but I am all done. I actually did get the bathrooms wiped down. I just took a Clorox wipe and wiped them down because I just deep cleaned them. Today is Thursday, deep cleaned them on Tuesday. So I just wiped up the toothpaste, changed out the towel, and that is it. But I was on the phone with my sister and I was doing some things and forgot that I was filming. So typical me. So we got everything done. We got the dishes taken care of, the dishwasher emptied, the counters cleaned off, vacuumed, the floors mopped, the laundry done, the laundry put away, and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. If you did, I hope you consider subscribing and joining my little YouTube family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.